In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Docusign envelope ID. Send a document without the envelope ID on it. 5 minutes. If you've ever sent a document through Docusign and noticed a string of characters printed on the page, that's the envelope ID. It's great for tracking and audits, but sometimes you want a clean, client-facing PDF without that extra text. I'll show you how to turn it off at the account level so future documents don't display it. First, sign in to your Docusign account using a modern browser. You'll need access to the account's administrative settings to make this change. If you're a sender without admin permissions, you may need to ask your account administrator to follow these steps. Once you're in, head to the admin area. You'll usually find admin in the top navigation of the Docusign web app. Clicking it opens the admin dashboard, which controls account-wide preferences that impact how envelopes are sent and how final documents appear. From the admin dashboard, go to Sending Settings. This section defines the default behavior for all envelopes created under your account. It's where you can adjust things like defaults, notifications, and what gets stamped onto the final PDFs. In Sending Settings, look for the option that says Enable, including the envelope ID on the document. This is typically presented as a checkbox or toggle. Deselect it. That one change stops Docusign from printing the envelope ID onto your documents. Important note, this doesn't remove the ID from Docusign's system, the audit trail, or the certificate of completion. It only prevents the visible ID from appearing on the document itself, which keeps your PDF clean while preserving full traceability. A quick heads up about availability. This setting is usually available on paid plans, such as business or enterprise tiers. If you don't see the option, your plan may not include it, or your user role may not have the permission to change sending settings. In that case, check with your account admin or your plan owner to review permissions or plan details. Once this is set, any new envelopes you send from your account will produce finalized PDFs without the envelope ID printed on them. That's especially helpful for branded documents, proposals, or client copies where presentation matters, while still maintaining compliance and audit readiness behind the scenes. And that's it. You signed in, opened admin, went to Sending Settings, and deselected the envelope ID option. Your future documents will be cleaner and your audit trail remains intact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.